this video, let's talk about why do you need to install wheel spacers with hub entry.
Ford wheel spacers are aftermarket accessories installed between the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. They can increase the wheel clearance. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the Ford Explorer with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, wide body kit upgrades, aftermarket wheels adaptation, cosmetic changes, and more. If you are worried about the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend buying high-quality hub-centric wheel spacers. Installing the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide higher stability. Bonus wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and the wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. A hub-centric wheel spacer comes with a hub-centric lips as a transition point. For some vehicles, the protrusion may stick out the hub-centric lips of the spacer by a few millimeters. Then you need to change to wheel spacers with thicker hub-centric lips. Bonus hub-centric wheel spacers ensure that the wheel spacers better fit the hub protrusion. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right hub-centric spacers, there will be no problem. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of Bonus makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the Bonus wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more tools. Bonus Forge FT Cooling Forge Explorer wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Ford Explorer wheel spacers. These notches act as air collector which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.